Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. DIY, the power of one. Crafting, cooking, getting things done. Developing projects and having fun. Reaching out. One by one. From home repairs to drones, flying towards the sun. You will take on challenges with ease. Your skills and knowledge continue to increase. As you tackle projects, a creativity release. With tools in hand and determination in mind. Each day your skills combine. Solutions to problems, we see with a perfect eye. DIY is the freedom to be self-reliant, while we unify. Moving into the power of DIY. You will continue to learn what skills to apply. The satisfaction of a job well done, is always nearby. DIY stands for do-it-yourself and refers to the practice of individuals completing tasks or projects on their own, without hiring professional help. This can include home repairs, crafting, cooking, and various other activities. Presenting 10 Powers of DIY Culture. 1. Cost-effective. DIY projects can be more affordable than buying ready-made items. 2. Creativity. DIY culture encourages creativity and allows you to express your unique ideas and tastes. DIY culture encourages creativity and allows you to express your unique ideas. You then move to implement your project. You are now a DIY member. 3. Learning, otherwise known as education. Engaging in DIY projects allows you to learn new skills and techniques, making you more self-sufficient. It's hands-on education, you are engaged, you are learning the how-to, and you come away from it knowing more. 4. Sustainability, renewables, green living. DIY culture promotes sustainability by encouraging people to repurpose and recycle items. There are homes built from bottles and tires, there are plants grown in water, hydroponics, there's van life, off-the-grid lifestyles. Because we need to be aware of environmental pollution, DIY folks are the pioneers. 5. Quality control. By making something yourself, you have greater control over the quality of the final product. 6. Independence. DIY culture promotes independence by allowing you to do things for yourself rather than only relying on others. 7. Sense of accomplishment. Completing a DIY project can provide a sense of accomplishment and pride. 8. Personalization. DIY culture allows you to customize your creations to specific needs, preferences, resources and circumstances. 9. Community. DIY culture often involves a community of like-minded individuals who share ideas, techniques, and resources. 10. Fun. DIY projects can be a fun and enjoyable way to spend your time, whether alone or with friends and family. Just as sparks illuminates a dark room, the DIY culture can ignite sparks within you to create and make things happen. The desire to learn new skills, to take control of your projects, and to build something with your own hands fuels your passion and motivates you to take action. The DIY culture is not just about completing a task, but about the fulfillment that comes from knowing yourself better. Don't be afraid to start small, to make mistakes, as you learn along the way. The second and third time around, the mistakes now are smoothed away by making adjustments. With each project, you will ignite the flame of your creativity and deepen your sense of empowerment. Keep the fire of DIY culture burning bright. Be inspired. You can make it happen. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Please subscribe. Thumbs up. We look forward to your comments. We trust you will come back soon.